I'm Mrs Dutton and I'm going to talk to you very briefly about geography here at the Gryphon School. In Year 7 you will do 5 main topics of work. You start at the beginning of term in September on a unit of work about key geographical skills. So we look at using OS maps. You do a little bit about magical weather and how weather affects us. We look at latitude and longitude and atlas skills and why the UK is a strong, well-developed country. We then move on to population change. We then look at Kenya, and we finish with a unit of work on rivers, which involves our field trip. So I've got some examples of some work. So here's some of the students doing some atlas skills. You can see they've got the atlases out and they're labelling some maps. They're creating some little atlases and teams. And then this is some students doing a freeze frame activity to depict the one-child policy in population change. When we move on to Kenya, the students produce some board games to look at rural to urban migration. So I've just got a couple of examples of some of the board games. Another one here. These are usually really creative. It's a really nice chance for us teachers to see the creative side of the students. And here the children are playing those board games. We then move on to rivers, and you can see here they've created a river in a box. We've had some marvellous cakes. We've had Lego figures to depict how a river's course from start to finish. Geography field trips are really, really important to us. And in Year 7 we take you to Exeter and we look at sustainable management of the River Exe, and we walk along the river's course and we look at some of the management schemes that are in place, which you can see here is Mrs Switzer, one of our geography teachers. In Year 8 we go on a trip to Swanage and we look at coastal processes. We use some important geographical equipment, so chronometers, tape measures, ranging poles, and we also look at the impact of tourism upon the city in Swanage. In Year 9 we take you to Bristol Zoo and we study ecosystems and we look at how animals and plants have adapted to live in rainforest conditions. And then if you continue to study geography at GCSE, in Year 10 we take you to Chesil Beach so that you can study coastal processes, and in Year 11 we go to Bristol city centre so we can look at the impact of regeneration upon the city centre area. How will you be taught? We've got 4 specialised geography huts which are out on the field. You have specialist teachers. All of us are geography graduates. We've all got degrees in geography. There's 4 full-time teachers, and then the head of sixth form is also a geography teacher, and one of the deputy heads also teaches geography. 2 of our team are experienced examiners. They mark at GCSE and A level, so they really understand how to get the best out of students. The department subscribes to a range of different journals to help you with your geography learning. So we use journals such as Geography Review, and we use GeoFiles in our teaching. The department's also been awarded for 7 years in a row the Prince's Teaching Institute mark for excellence in teaching and learning in geography. We're a member of the GA, taking part in quizzes, as well as encouraging the Royal Geographical Society ambassadors come to talk to us in the school and the department. And just a quick picture, these are showing some of the sixth formers. We like to get the sixth formers involved in teaching some of the younger years. You can see the sixth formers are up here teaching younger years. So our results, this is a question that we always get asked at parents' evenings, so I've put the results up there. Geography usually gets very good results. We are really lucky that we've got such a committed and dedicated team. But we feel as geographers, it's not just about the exam grades, we also feel that we are creating sort of more rounded individuals. So we take a big role in ecology. This is a road safety campaign that was run last year as well. Okay, any questions, please email me or make an appointment to come and speak to one of the team. Thank you.